Hi guys, Grhazeyf here and back to my channel. So I'm going to make a homemade Boba Tea. Let me show you how. First, boil some water and add the black Bobamilktea pearls. And cook it for 10 minutes. So once it's cooked, get your black tea ready and let it cool down. So there you have it, guys. And after that, prepare your dark brown sugar. Put it in a hot pot. Put some water on it in a low fire. This would take about a few seconds until the sugar will totally melt. After that, rinse your Bobamilktea pearl with warm water. Then you can use heavy cream or organic milk or half and half, but it depends which one you will use. And mix it with your tea. There you have it. Then time to add these black Bobamilktea pearls and just mix them. Boom. And now time to add our melted sugar. Then add some crushed ice or ice cubes. Then let's wash and get our straws ready. I ordered this on Amazon, this set of straws specifically for Boba Tea. And there you go. Pretty cool. Homemade Boba Tea is ready and let's taste it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you again in the next one. Bye. Yummy.